Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you tech enthusiasts out there. We're going to take a deep dive into the Ugreen Cat7 Ethernet cable. And I can confidently say that it's one of the best Cat7 Ethernet cables you can get your hands on. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why. Let's kick things off by talking about the Ugreen Cat7 Ethernet cable itself. It's designed for those who demand the best performance from their network connections. With a bandwidth of up to 600 MHz and a mind-blowing speed of 10 gigabits per second, this cable is a game changer. As you can see, it's available in various lengths, but today, we're focusing on the 3-foot version. Whether you're into gaming, streaming, or just need a reliable connection for your home office setup, this cable has got you covered. One of the standout features of this cable is its universal compatibility. It can seamlessly connect with a wide range of devices, including computers, laptops, modems, routers, gaming consoles like PS5, PS4, Xbox Series, Xbox One, and many more. Plus, it's fully backward compatible with Cat6e, Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5 standards, ensuring versatility for your network. Now, let's talk about the installation. The Ugreen Cat7 Ethernet cable boasts a flexible flat design, making it incredibly easy to install. Whether you want to run it under a door, along a wall, or even hide it under a carpet, this cable's design is perfect for indoor wiring while maintaining a clean and safe installation. What sets this cable apart from the competition is its superior shielding. It's made of 4 shielded twisted pairs of copper wires with 2 RJ45 connectors on each end. This extra shielding and quality twisting provide exceptional protection against crosstalk, noise, and interference. It ensures a stable and reliable connection, even in busy network environments. And when it comes to durability, Ugreen hasn't cut any corners. The cable is constructed using 100% pure copper wire and features gold-plated connectors. This combination reduces data transmission loss and extends the overall lifespan of the cable. It's built to last. So, to sum it up, here's why you should consider the Ugreen Cat7 Ethernet cable. Unmatched speed and bandwidth 10 gigabits per second and 600 MHz. Universal compatibility with a wide range of devices. Easy installation thanks to the flat, flexible design. Superior shielding for a stable, interference-free connection. Built to last with high-quality materials. But don't just take my word for it. This cable has received rave reviews from users worldwide, and it's even Amazon's choice in the Cat7 Ethernet cable category. In conclusion, if you're serious about your network performance and want the best Cat7 Ethernet cable on the market, the Ugreen Cat7 Ethernet cable is a no-brainer. It offers exceptional speed, reliability, and compatibility, all wrapped up in a durable package. If you're interested in upgrading your network setup, I've included a link in the video description where you can find more information and purchase this cable. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.